Hey guys, it is Friday here in West Virginia, and we're going to go ahead and do a bonus video for this week and do a Free It Friday. And today what we're freeing is the car you have right here in front of you. The latest release from Hot Wheels, RLC, Mattel Creations, the BRE Datsun Custom 72 Datsun 240Z number 00. And this is a really cool car done up in chrome and matte black. So on this end cap, it just tells you that this product is intended for adult collectors and is not intended for children under 14 years of age. Has Redline Club logo there. Same thing with the Datsun BRE stuff on that side. On the top, it says Hot Wheels BRE. Bottom side, there are some copyrights and trademarks and all of that stuff for all the sponsors, co-sponsors, and Hot Wheel Collector Club, and so forth. This end cap of the box has the Hot Wheels 00 BRE Datsun Mattel Creations. So, this side still has a sticker, so I must have cut this side. Yes, there we go. So, let's get him out. And on the cover box, because that's all it is, it's kind of like a shell dome you see here, pretty much the same thing as the outside box, as you can see, except on the back side it does give you a write-up about the custom 72 Datsun 240Z. When people hear the word sports car, they all have a different vision in their head. But for many, the 72 Datsun 240Z is what they picture. Some credit it as being a pioneer in the automotive world. The custom Datsun 240Z will bring you back in time while zipping you forward with a little modern flair. The diecast body features an opening engine hood and fender flares. Spectra Flame shadow chrome and matte black paint is an outlaw monochrome urban take on the traditional BRE livery. Real riders, 5-spoke modern wheels, painted matte black with red axle heads, coincide with the red accents found on the car's body. We're not saying this car will drive laps around your imagination, but it might. So let's pop the cap off and take a look at him. So there he is. Pretty nice looking car. As you can see, it has the Redline logo and the BRE logo, and between there it says Custom 72 Datsun 240Z. So this is really cool because they added the fender mirrors and such. So this case is hard to get off in my opinion. So give me a second and I'll pop it off here off of camera and such. And then hopefully I will. So, and I didn't crack it. That's always what I'm worried about. Then it has that PVC thing kind of holding the car in. Usually it does hold the car in, like the Holiday Willys and then the 32 Ford Street Rod as we open. They were just held in by the PVC. This one's actually screwed down, though, as you can see. That's why I had the Phillips head screwdriver here somewhere, but I seem to have misplaced it. Huh. So, anyways, I didn't tighten these because I've had this out of the package before, so I'm just going to try to screw these off by hand if possible. So, yeah, there's the back one. And then the front one. I don't know what happened to that screwdriver. Alright, luckily I didn't tighten those too tight when I had this out earlier to take pictures of it. So as you can see, it is really sharp looking. It's even better in person. So I'm going to try to give you guys that don't have this, like the in-person feel. As you can see, all of the little co-sponsor decals on the rear quarter. The BRE Datsun here in red and black with black stripes. 00 Gretty on the rocker. BRE on the leg of the front fender. And as you can see, it has those flares. The mirrors are plastic, so you do need to be careful with them. Painted headlights, detailed marker lights, nicely detailed grille. And then it does have a red roll cage in it, which is pretty cool. It kind of breaks it up so you can actually see the details of the cage in the car. Smoked glass. And this is where the rivet is with the screw, but it actually looks like a rear tire mount if you look through the back window. So it is very sweet looking. Nice detail on the tail lights. And then the vanity plate. Let's see what this says. Just XOXO. So let's zoom back out a little and then flip him over. Take a look at the undercarriage. Nice detailed matte black diecast chassis with detailed exhaust. Pretty cool. I do like that highlight of the axle head being in red in these matte black wheels. It does break it up a little bit and give detail to the wheel. And as I mentioned, it does have the opening hood. And it is correct. It flips forward like a Corvette. And as you can see, it has the detailed inline 6. If I can get that open again and get it to stay open. Kind of hard to see down in there, but it does look pretty good. So that's it for your Datsun BRE, the latest 240 from Hot Wheels Mattel creation. So then let's flip this down and give you a better look at him. So pretty sweet piece. And then we will be back again this weekend. We'll unbox the Silverado either on Saturday or Sunday. Not sure when. It's an Auto World Silverado. Older release, but still cool release. I like the paint combo on it. So we'll take a look at that together on Saturday or Sunday. So guys, enjoy the kickoff to your weekend. And we will talk to you in a day or two. Thanks for watching.